Presenting the Whirlpool IntelliFresh from bacterial growth. The vegetable crisper and the honeycomb moisture lock-in technology maintain optimum moisture in your vegetables and keeps them fresh for longer. The end-to-end glass shelves are made of toughened glass for maximum space utilization while holding the weight of large and heavy utensils. The refrigerator comes with a brand warranty of 1 year on the product and 10 years on the compressor. For EMI options, refer to the product page. Pay online using debit or credit card or net banking. For further information, visit the product page.